Hello guys, in this video I'm going to talk about triangles. Now first, let's start. First we have acute triangle. Now we have acute triangle, we have 50, 70 and 60, let's say. An acute angle is basically angle is less than 90. Now the next one is right triangle. Now we have right angle triangle. Now the right angle triangle contains one angle that is equal 90 here next the box. Now the next one we have obtuse triangle. Like this. Now in an obtuse triangle, one of the angle is greater than 90 degrees. So here you have 115. Sometimes you can classify triangles based on your sides. So we have scalene triangle like this. This triangle has no congruent sides. All three sides are just different. So the next one we have this triangle, and this triangle is known isosceles triangle. In the isosceles triangle, two sides are congruent to each other. These two sides are congruent to each other. To each other. And also, these two angles are congruent to each other. The next one, we have equilateral triangle. Like this. In this triangle, all three sides are congruent, and also all angles are congruent. So here you have 60, and here you have 60, and here you have 60. Now let me give you a question. You have 5 and 5 and 6, or you have 4. And here you have this triangle. We have 5 here, 4 and 6. So this triangle is scalene triangle because all three sides are just different. In the next one, we have here right angle. So this is right triangle, and also we have these two angles are congruent. So also this isosceles triangle because these two angles are congruent, 45 and 45. In this one we have here 7 and you have 7, so this is isosceles triangle. In this one, this triangle is an acute triangle because you have 40 and 60 and 80. These three angles is less than 90 degrees. The last one, an obtuse triangle, because you have this angle greater than 90 degrees. Now the next thing that you need to know is that all three angles of a triangle must add up to 180. For example, if you have this triangle here, you have x, y, and z. So x plus y plus z is equal 180. For example, if you have here 38 and here you have 54 and here you have x, find x. So we write 38 plus 54 plus x is equal 180. Now 38 plus 54 is equal 92 plus x. Now we subtract both sides by 92. So 180 minus 92 is equal 88. So x is equal 88. Now another example. Let's say if you have this triangle A, B, C. A is 35, C is 3x plus 7, and B is 4x. Find B. So first step, we write 35 plus 4x plus 3x plus 7 is equal 180, because these three angles is equal 180. Now 4x plus 3x is equal 7x plus, and 35 plus 7 is equal 42. Now we subtract both sides by 42. So 180 minus 42 is equal 138. Now we divide both sides by 7. So x is equal 138 divided by 7 is equal 19.7. Now we can find x. Now we replace 19.7 here in x to find angle B. So angle B is equal 4 times 19.7. Now 4 times 19.7 is equal 78.8. So this is the final answer.